Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make chicken thigh and roasted bell pepper cream sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here 6 pieces of chicken thighs cut in half, 3 red bell peppers, around 200 grams of white mushroom, around 200 grams of spinach, chopped spinach, half cup of cooking cream, 1 cup of chicken broth, some olive oil, 1 red onion cut in dice, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 spoon of sweet paprika and salt, 1 cup of natural apple juice, green apple, and 1 small spoon of natural vinegar, apple vinegar. We're gonna mix both together and we're gonna use it instead of using the white wine. These are our ingredients and now let's see how to prepare our meal. First, we're gonna put the bell pepper in an oven in the middle shelf, turned on from both sides in 200 degrees. We're gonna leave it cooking for around 40 minutes. During that, we're gonna cut the white mushrooms, big pieces like you see in the video. Third, add the paprika and the salt over the chicken, mix it up, and leave it ready to cook. After 40 minutes, take the bell pepper from the oven, take it out, put it in a bowl, and cover it for around half an hour. In a frying pan over medium heat, put some olive oil and fry the mushroom. Fry it until it changes its color. After that, in the same pan, add more olive oil, wait for 2 minutes, then add the chicken in it. Fry the chicken well from both sides and take it out and leave it aside. In the same frying pan, put the onion and the garlic. Leave it cooking for around 5 minutes. Then add over it the apple juice with the vinegar and the chicken broth. And leave it cooking over medium heat. After 30 minutes, peel the skin off and clean it from inside. This is our bell pepper after we cleaned it up. Put it on a mixture, add over it the cooked onion and garlic with the apple juice and the chicken broth, then mix it all together. After that, in a frying pan over medium heat, put the bell pepper mixture on it, add over it the cooking cream, stir it well, then add the chicken. Leave it cooking until it starts boiling. Add the mushroom, mix it up for around 5 minutes, and finally add the spinach. Stir all together for around 15 minutes, and that's it. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and bon appetit. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.